A sports magazine prints 12 issues per year, and a technology magazine prints 10 issues per year. The total number of pages in all the issues of the sports magazine for 1 year is 32 more than the total number of pages in all the issues of the technology magazine for 1 year. Each issue of the sports magazine has 18 fewer pages than each issue of the technology magazine. Which systems of equations can be used to find S, the number of pages in each issue of the sports magazine, and T, the number of pages in each issue of the technology magazine? Okay, looking at the choices, all they're asking us for is just a setup. So what we'll do first is I always like to label what we're working with. So what we're going to end up doing, well, what I'll do here is I'm going to write down what S and T stands for. Now, they had said that the S is going to stand for all the pages in the sports magazine, and T stands for all the pages in the tech magazine. Alright, so I'm set right there. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to see what they're asking us for in the problem. So they're saying the total number of pages in all the sports magazine for 1 year is 32 more than the total of pages in all the tech magazine for 1 year. Alright, so now that we know that, we can go ahead and fill in some of the information now. So what we're going to write down for that, alright, total number of all the pages in a sports magazine. Alright, so it's going to be 12S. Since there are 12 issues in the year, the number of pages in a sports magazine times 12 will give us all the pages for 1 year. Okay, so that so right here where it says is, that's our equal sign. 32 more than. 32 more than is going to be plus 32. The more than changes the order, and then up front it is 32 more than all the pages in the tech magazine for 1 year. Now up here it says the tech magazine has 10 issues per year, so it's going to be 10 times T. So right here, 10 issues times all the pages in the tech magazine plus 32. So that equation is set. So we're ready to go with that one. That's one of them. Now we're going to look at the next equation. So in the next equation, what we'll end up doing, it says each issue of a sports magazine has 18 fewer pages than each issue of a tech magazine. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and use that for our next equation. Alright, so using that information, alright, each issue of the sports magazine, so S is equal to, where it says has, that's our equals right there. 18 fewer pages, 18 fewer is minus, but 18 fewer means whatever that number is, we're taking away 18. 18 fewer pages than each issue of the tech magazine. So here's our tech mag. 18 fewer than the tech magazine. So those are our two equations. All we have to do is find our match. The correct answer is letter A. S is equal to T take away 18. 12S equals 10T plus 32. A is the correct answer.